Hello children, I hope all of you are doing good job at home. Children, let's start our today's maths class. Today we are going to discuss about solid figures. Yes, solid figures. Children, an object which has a fixed shape are solids. We cannot change the shape of solid by pressing it, right? Thus we can say a solid has definite shape and cannot be pressed easily. So there are different types of solid figures like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. These all are different type of solid figures, right? They are the fixed shapes. Their shapes cannot be changed. So these are different types of solid figures. But today we are going to discuss only two solid figures, cube and cuboid, right? First discuss about cube. See children, this is the shape of a cube. A cube looks like this. There are different cube-shaped figure around you, like ice cube, cardboard box, block. These are the objects having shape of cube. Right children? See, this is your cube. This is the shape of your cube. This is a solid figure. Now children, you know about vertices? Vertices are the corners. We discussed about corners in our previous video also. So vertices are the corners. Vertices are also known as corners. So this is your cube. Let's count the number of vertices. See children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 vertices. It means in a cube there are 8 vertices. How many vertices? 8. Yes, in a cube there are 8 vertices. Now let's count the edges. Children, edges means the number of sides. In a cube there are 12 edges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These 12 are the edges, or you can say that sides. These are the edges of a cube. So there are 12 edges in a cube. What about faces? Children, now what is a face? A face is a plain flat surface of a figure. A face is a plain flat surface. See, this is your face. This is the plain surface. This is also your face. So face is a plain flat surface. Now let's count the faces. See children, this is your dice by which you play your Ludo. I hope all of you have this in your home. You can also see that dice and count the number of vertices, faces, edges. So this is your dice. Let's count the number of faces. Your dice is also a cube. So let's count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3. Then other sides 4, 5, 6. So a cube has 6 faces. This dice has 6 faces and a dice is also a cube. So a cube has 6 faces. Right children? And one more important thing, that all the faces of a cube are equal. All the faces of a cube are equal and they are square in shape. All the faces. How many faces are there? 6. All these 6 faces are equal and all the faces are square in shape. Okay children, let's move on. So a cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. These are some examples of cube, right? You can see these are some examples of cube. Now let's move on. Children, this is your cuboid. This is your cuboid. This is also a solid figure, right? These are some examples of cuboid, like your bus, your tiffin box, your fish tank. All these are examples of a cuboid. Now this is your cuboid. Now let's count the number of vertices. Again we have 8 vertices of a cuboid. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 vertices, or you can say there are 8 corners in a cuboid. Let's move on. Count the number of edges, means sides. Again there are 12 edges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means there are 12 edges in a cuboid. There are 8 vertices and 12 edges in a cuboid. And the most important thing is, in cuboid, edges are not equal. Children, in cube, edges are equal. But in cuboid, edges are not equal. This is the basic difference between a cube and a cuboid. In cube, edges are equal. But in cuboid, edges are not equal. Okay? Now let's count the number of faces. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 faces in a cuboid. So a cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. These are some examples of cuboid. You can see. Now a cube and cuboid has the same number of vertices, edges and faces. A cube and cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. But what is the basic difference between cube and cuboid? I told you, in cube all the faces and edges are equal. All the faces and edges are equal. But in cuboid, all the faces and edges are not equal. This is the basic difference between a cube and a cuboid. Children, each face of a cuboid represents a rectangle, but each face of a cube represents a square. So, both these have 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. All the faces and edges of a cube are equal, but all the faces and edges of a cuboid are not equal. Each face of a cuboid represents a rectangle and each face of a cube represents a square. This is your basic difference between cube and cuboid. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Bye-bye.